Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need an AR-capable iPhone and the app ready. Start by updating iOS and granting camera and motion permissions so sensors can track space. Once done, place the phone level and sweep the environment slowly to let AR-Kit map planes and surfaces. This is why good lighting and textured surfaces matter for accurate tracking. Next, tap the app's AR mode, then tap to place the initial object. Make sure to move around the placed object to confirm stable anchoring before adding more items. Once the first object is stable, refine placement using pinch to scale and two-finger rotate to align precisely. This is how you match virtual size to real-world proportions. If the app supports anchors or plane locking, set an anchor so the object resists drift when you walk around. Persistence or saving a scene keeps layout for future sessions. Also calibrate by walking a few steps away and back to check tracking, and adjust lighting exposure in-app when colors or shadows look off. To finish, interact with placed objects. Tap to trigger actions, drag to reposition, and test animations to verify timing. This confirms the experience behaves as intended. If objects drift or disappear, first rescan the environment and re-anchor to a distinct feature. Make sure surfaces still have texture and light. If problems persist, reset the AR session in settings, restart the app, or toggle camera and motion access. When needed, reboot the phone to clear sensor states before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.